Hello guys, welcome to my another tutorial video. In this video I will show that how to fix messenger poll option not showing messenger group. Solve this problem. You can follow the step by step. Step 1. Open Play Store and update on messenger application. Click on search. Tap on search icon. Search messenger application. Update your messenger latest version. Step 2. Open your phone setting. Scroll down. Tap on apps. Tap on manage apps. Search messenger application. Tap on storage. Tap on clear data. Tap on clear cache. Step 3. Restart your phone device. Open messenger app. Click on any messenger group. Tap on plus icon. Then tap on poll. Solve this problem. In this video helpful for you. Please like and subscribe my channel.